Hey, what's up, guys? This is your boy, Pastor Crypto, man. And I took a couple of days off. Did y'all miss me? If you don't know, this channel is about dropping bangers, passive income bangers by your boy, Passive Income. If you're interested in passive income and listening to bangers being dropped on your head, you at the right place. Subscribe to this channel, click that notification bell, and don't forget to select all. That way, you guys be the first people to catch these bangers when they drop. All right, man, the Piggy Bank on Binance Smart Chain, part of the animal farm, part of the drip ecosystem, the Piggy Bank drama. I got to lead off with that. There's a lot of drama going on. Quite a few investors are not happy. The price of the pig token is down to $162. The dog token is down to $44. Drip is down to $65. So, what is my thoughts? I waited a couple days to see what's going on. And I even went to Dex Screener to check this stuff out, right? Holy crap. Somebody just sold $321,000 worth of, wait a minute, 1,940 pigs. How does somebody get that many pigs and sell? All right, so what's going on here? This telling me right here that this got to be somebody day trade. It got to be. So they probably bought down here when it dropped down to like 125, and then they selling for a profit at 165 because that's a lot of pig tokens. Dang. So yeah, the price is down. It did go up, and the lowest it hit, according to Dex Screener, is around $125, somewhere up in there. And then it pumped back up to $213. So the drama is going around. Apparently, there was one particular wallet. I don't know how true this is. I didn't verify it. This is just what I've been gathering from other YouTube videos, that somebody was able to get into the piggy bank early, and they accumulated a lot of tokens. I don't know if it was piglets or what have you. And they were selling. They didn't stake. I think apparently they didn't stake, and they were just taking the rewards and selling them, dumping them on the market, which caused basically a run where the price was continuously going down, and then other investors caught wind of it. And according to what I was hearing, they was going to the Telegram, voicing their concerns. Some of them. I'm pretty sure it was a lot of FUD in there too, because I've been in Telegram. When the project starts having issues, there is some people that just like to troll. I call them troll fudders, fudder trolls. But there was also people in here that was asking legitimate questions about what's going on with the price, and they were getting banned by the moderator at the time. So there was a lot of pissed people, you know what I'm saying? So once I started, because I had bought my tokens, like I said when I made my video, I had bought like $10,000 worth of Piggy tokens, and I didn't make my LP. I waited. Because after I made my last video, I decided to wait just to see the price action. I was hoping that the price went up some more, right? Then that way I'll be able to have more LP tokens, and then I would just stake like a day or two later. When I saw the price start going down, I couldn't call it. It felt a little weird to me. So once I saw people making videos talking about it, some issues and something terribly wrong, and they was pissed, I sold out. I ain't gonna even lie. Your boy sold out because usually when there's a lot of commotion going on, the price do dump from the initial investors and not just outside people. When they not happy, they make a lot of noise, and it prevents new investors from coming in. So I sold. I took an L. I lost about $4,000 when I sold. I thought the price was gonna go up because typically these type of contracts, the way the tokens are taken off the market, and when new buys come in, new investors come in, the price rise a lot over time, which it still can. You know what I'm saying? Once they get past this FUD and stuff, I'm not saying that this is a failure or anything by any means, but there's a lot of investors mad. Some of them probably rightfully have some questions and need answers. But I sold out. I took my L, took the little 4K loss. You know what I'm saying? You know why? Because the PSTD. That's right. Your boy who's suffering from post-traumatic stress syndrome. Because the way I was getting peppered on Fantom. We'll get to that in a minute. Your boy, shout out to Andre Cronje for helping making a catalyst on Fantom to landslide. You know, so shout out to you for that. You know what I'm saying? I get to that towards the end of the video. But yeah, piggy bank. So there's a lot of drama going on right now. There's a lot of investors that bought drip when it was at its height, which was at 30 days ago. Drip was at like 100 and I don't know where. It had got up high. It like this right here, nah, it was way higher than 150. I remember getting up to like 180. So there's a lot of people that bought all the way up there. Now the price down, so they're not really making money on there. So there's a lot of people that's kind of upset. You know what I'm saying? I'm neutral on it. I have no say so, but there's a lot of drama going on over there, right? Hopefully the price go up, but I can see right now, man, there's people that's day trading this thing. It gotta be, because look, there's another $14,000 sale. Maybe some people's stuff is already coming out. They stakes and they selling too, but it's hard to believe that this big sale right here is from a stake. $321,000. It's kind of hard to believe that's from a stake. That's got to be somebody day trading. Hopefully the day traders don't plummet the price even more, knocking it down, then propping it back up, then taking profit. Hopefully that doesn't happen. That would be a shame. So yeah, so piggy bank drama, you know, Forex Shark probably need to come out and make a statement to at least answer some of the questions that some of these investors got, even if it's only like 5 questions answered. And probably answer maybe how this one individual was able to buy before everybody else, before the time had started. That'd be some people probably would want to know. But yeah, I'm not in, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to look at the chart and maybe get in once it probably hit a bottom, because right now it's looking like it's going down. It's down to $161. It might drop down to like 156. That's what it looks like it's headed. So yeah, I'm just gonna play the wait and see game. Hopefully it can rebound. I don't know, but I took the L. On a lighter note, my diamond team. Look at the new website. So the private pre-sale for my diamond team version 1 investors is March 13th, right? The private pre-sale for my diamond team version 2 investors is March 28th, and the pre-sale for the public is March 29th, and then it will be listed on PancakeSwap probably April the 1st. So if everything goes smooth, this is how it's gonna look. But you know, anything can happen in crypto. This crypto, anything can happen, you guys. So we'll see how this work out. So let me go to the Telegram on my diamond team, right? So let me go to the Telegram. Where is it at? Where is it? You know what? Let me take that back. Let me go to the Piston Telegram. So this is the note they left. So if you was in my diamond team version 1 with at least 0.5 BNB invested, you have a guaranteed spot in a private sale on March the 13th. You can get up to 400 BUSD of Piston tokens, right? So if you were not in my diamond team version 1 or were but had less than 0.5 BNB deposited, then you cannot take part in the version 1 pre-sale. Regardless of whether you are in the version 1 pre-sale or not, if you want to get into the whitelist for the version 2 private sale, which is March 28th, it's a first come, first served basis, right? With no guarantee allocation. You must invest at least 0.5 BNB in my diamond team version 2 before the version 2 pre-sale. My link to my Diamond Team version 2 will be in the description if you so choose to invest. Max buy is also 400 BUSD per wallet, right? If you are in version 1 private sale, you can get a chance to buy another 400 in the version 2 private pre-sale, right? The hard cap for version 1 and version 2 pre-sales are combined for 100 million. I said 100 million. 1 million BUSD, $1 million, right? So whatever is not filled, it'll be spilled over into version 2, which they estimate might be around $160,000 or might be a little bit more than that. So regardless of the above two, the whole world can take part in a public pre-sale, which is on March 28th. And it's also first come, first served basis. You can invest 400 BUSD as the max per wallet, right? Then once the project launches, you can buy the Piston Token on PancakeSwap. I recommend going to their Telegram group and waiting for a pinned message with the contract address. I see that a lot of people mess up with that. You know what I'm saying? They go into the Telegram group and then they see the address in the regular comments, and it can be anybody posting that if the admin don't catch it, right? So always go to the pinned messages. Make sure you're in the right Telegram group first, because there's a lot of fraud Telegram groups. So make sure you're in the right Telegram group and then go to the pinned messages. And the pinned messages should be the message for the contract once it goes live on PancakeSwap, right? So that's the safest way to get in if you don't want to participate in the private sales, or you can't. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's new news. And the token price for all pre-sales will be from $2.50 to $3, which I mentioned in one of my videos a while ago, right? So that's that. That's coming up. You know what I'm saying? The private pre-sales March 13th. I can't wait, baby. Let's get it. It's time to get this crypto paper. So moving on, my Diamond Team. Let's go to the version 1. Let me connect my Wizallet. Let me see what. Hope I'm on Binance. Yeah, your boy reached max payout, y'all. So the only reason I reached max payout is because they migrated over to version 2. So I reached max payout, if I'm not mistaken, and I can't withdraw any more from this platform, right? Let's see. Yep, I reached my max payout. So that's it for me. I withdrew 12 BNB in total. I invested 9 BNB, right? So my total investment was 9 BNB. So I did make profit on this. The other people that came in late and they didn't compound at all, still can go to version 2, right? Which my link will be in the description. And they're going to try to compensate you guys on version 2. So over here, I deposited 5 BNB. I got 1 BNB in here. You know what I'm saying? It's worth $391. This is going good. You know what I'm saying? I have the option to withdraw this right now. $391. So what I'm going to do is, I don't know what I'm going to do. But yeah, look at this. 1,300 members. 1,300 BNB. Top sponsor reward pool, 25 BNB. Once this thing start cranking back up to like 50 BNB, 75 BNB, I'm telling you, there's going to be a whole bunch of people promoting this. You know what I'm saying? So this ain't going nowhere no time soon. And I think the key to it is the top sponsor reward pool, to be honest with you. Plus the matching bonuses, then the direct referral income. And then you can earn 1.5% daily. That's for the people who don't want to build a team or don't have people following them and they won't sign, you don't have nobody to sign up. You still earn 1.5% daily and you get 3x your deposit. You know what I'm saying? So this is a pretty solid investment in my opinion. Once again, it's going to be these scammers. You know, they're going to be looking up and down this contract to see if they can exploit this one too. But they did go through the proper channels to get this thing working pretty good. So I don't think they will be able to find anything in this one. Hopefully, I got my fingers crossed. Hopefully they don't, right? You know what I'm saying? So yeah, so all these projects I just mentioned, the pigs, the animal farm, drip, piston, My Diamond Team is all on Binance Smart Chain. So look, this is the new website. You know what I'm saying? Check it out. This is what it looked like. You know, I like the, this is like the homepage, right, for the website. So I like the homepage. It looks sweet to me. You know what I'm saying? I think this looks pretty dope for the homepage. You know what I'm saying? They might upgrade some more. I'm not sure. I have to ask around in the Telegram group, but this so far, look, it's coming along. You know what I'm saying? Slowly but surely. All right. Now let's get to Fantom, man. Andre, thanks for the PSTD, brother. You know what I'm saying? You really gave it to me on this one. You know what I'm saying? So Fantom market is down. You know what I'm saying? They down a lot. But that's a good buying opportunity, man. Like the OGs like myself, man, when the market go down a lot like it did, I'm looking to buy. When everybody's selling, that's the best time to buy because you're going to get the cheapest prices. You know, I look at it like a wholesale discount. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, so Andre Cronje, you know what I'm saying? So he launched Yearn Finance, and you know what I'm saying? That's one of his biggest protocols, right? And he got a whole bunch of other protocols too. So he had decided to step down and close shop, basically. They shut down a lot of their projects on April the 3rd, right? And they call him collaborator, Anton. He the one that broke the news. You know what I'm saying? Cronje still haven't said anything yet. I'm hoping that he do come out and make a statement because I'll be honest with you guys. I didn't like the way it went. You know what I'm saying? It could have been handled better, but until he actually comes out and make a statement, I'm going to reserve some judgment. But as far as constructive criticism, I think it should have been handled a little bit better than it did because it kind of seemed very abrupt and all of a sudden. And that's typically not good business. You know what I'm saying? To me, because these companies, I'm calling them companies instead of cryptocurrency projects. When you run a company, you can't do stuff like that abruptly, especially when there's millions of dollars being invested, you know. That's just my opinion. You guys tell me in the comments what you think about that. You know what I'm saying? Am I wrong on saying that or not? So anyway, back to the story. So his partner Anton broke the news that Cronje, he confirmed it that they're gonna shut down numerous projects, including Yearn Finance. Well, shutting down, I don't know. I don't know if he's shutting this down or not. So, shutting down numerous projects on April the 3rd, right? Right? So it's some speculation involved that he didn't want to be, you know, the front piece and he just wanted to work on the technology and he was fed up and he just, I'm taking a break, you know what I'm saying? So, I don't know, kind of sucks, but the market was already going down. So, my answer to, you know, the people that's like, oh, look at Fantom, it's crashing, it's this, it's that. You know what I'm saying? And my thing is this. Everything down. Everything's down. So, Fantom took a good hit. Look at this. Most people that's rookies, they'll look at this and say, oh, don't invest over here. But people like me, that's why I hold a lot of stables. This is the time, this is the reason why you hold stables. So, when you see a top project, it's like in a top 10, top 15, and you seeing 23% down, and you seeing 33, 34% down, 20% down by the top project. Look, that's the best time to buy. Now, this ain't financial advice. Pastor Crypto ain't telling y'all to come in here and buy nothing at all. You know what I'm saying? Especially after, you know, me and a whole bunch of other people suffering from that PSTD. You know what I'm saying? It felt like bombs was dropping on your boy. But this is the best time to buy. You know what I'm saying? This is the time to get. This is how you make your gains, when you buy when stuff is down like this. You know what I'm saying? You make money when you buy. You know what I'm saying? That's how this works. This is when I make the most amount of my money. When I see stuff like this, like Beethoven is a good passive income platform because they actually doing bribes and stuff right now, and you can stake on here, and that's 23% down. So come on, that's a no-brainer to get. You know what I'm saying? Get some of that if you want some passive income from that type of platform. You know what I'm saying? It's all up to your personal preference. But yeah, Andre Cronje, you know, it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? This article is from Coin Market Cap, and they basically go over it. You know what I'm saying? But all I can say, it is what it is. But Fantom's, you know, and the congestion. That's one thing. The congestion. And because of the congestion, the transactional fees is super high if you want to push it through. Like I spent now this is Fantom, so I spent about $12, $15 just to push something through so I can move some crypto around. And that's pretty high on Fantom. Now when I did that, it went through pretty quick though. You know what I'm saying? If you don't feel like waiting for hours, you know what I'm saying, you gotta up that speed, willing to pay a little bit more. So yeah, man, you know, and then I look at this too before I move on, right? So I look at the chains. Even with that drop, Fantom still number 5. It's Ethereum, Terra, Binance Smart Chain, Avalanche, and Fantom. Fantom still above one of the most overrated projects, Solana. Fantom still above Polygon, Tron, Chronos, which is, you know, the new flavor of the month. You know, all these other projects. So Fantom ain't going nowhere. You know what I'm saying? They just got to figure out this congestion issue. You know what I'm saying? That got to be worked out quick, because if you can't use the blockchain, you know what I'm saying, because your transactions taking, you know, a long time to go through, then, you know, that's an issue. But yeah, so that's that. You know what I'm saying? The market looking whack. Even with it going up, you know what I'm saying? Bitcoin up to 38,000 right now, right? It's looking whack. It's looking wacky D. You know what I'm saying? Wacky D. But it's, you know, it's looking like it's about to swing up a little bit. But it keep hitting that wall. As soon as it hit like 41,000, 40,000, get knocked right back down. But yeah, because, you know, OX Dial, I was talking about this project because of the bribes, right? And the solidly, you know, which Andre Cronje, you know, he put his little thing on there. But yeah, so the price dropped, you know what I'm saying? My bags dropped a lot on this, but I didn't sell. You think I'm gonna sell? I bought my tokens at like 6-7 cents. You know, I got 200,000 tokens, and at the time when I bought them, I think I spent like 13 grand, right? So my bag is down to 4 G's right now. So you think I'm gonna sell for a $9,000 loss? Only a dressed up dummy would do that. I ain't doing that. You know what I'm saying? Especially since I went to their Discord, and things going it's business as usual. You know what I'm saying? I'd be different if OXDAO was like, hey, we close the shop, you know, the project's over. Andre stepped down from solidly, and nah, that ain't what's going on. Look, it's live. You can burn your OXD right now, right? I'm going to have to go over this. I just seen this not too long ago, so I don't know the whole thing of how this working, but it's live right now. This is the beta site. Hopefully the other site, the non-beta site, will come up soon. But yeah, they basically telling you can migrate some of your tokens over to be in a partner program. So I got some questions on that I need answered before I get into this. And the promotion will last 2 weeks. It will end on March 21st. So they got a promotion going right now if you burn your tokens right now. So I got some questions on this partner thing and all that stuff before I invest. But yeah, that's live. It's the website right here. This is not the correct price, but you can migrate your tokens right now. And it basically tell you how to do it. You know what I'm saying? And you can see I got 205,000 tokens, right? So ain't no way I was going to sell that and the price dropped down to 2 cents. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to the people who actually got in at 1 cent though. You know what I'm saying? Y'all made a nice little profit. Shout out to y'all. ProtoFi. So ProtoFi got $231 over, $232 over here. So let me go ahead. I switched to Fantom yet. Cause I'm about to collect this money. You know what I'm saying? This video is longer than most. You know what I'm saying? It is what it is. But I'm about to collect this. And I'm going to see. Unstake. I don't want to unstake. I want to harvest. So yeah, I'm gonna see how the blockchain working, man. Hopefully it's working a little bit smoother than it was, because it was kind of rough. And the gas fees that went up a lot. So yeah, oh yeah, they got it back. No congestion on. So that's passive income, you know what I'm saying? The market down, that's over $200 something. Market down, Fantom down. Got my money. Passive income, right? So the price of this down, but hey, I like this project because the whole play for me was to get this stable coins. Now I can take that 230 and invest in some of this stuff over here on, you know, on Fantom blockchain is down, right? So Calm Financial is on Fantom too. Calm Financial was one of the only very few projects that wasn't affected by this, you know what I'm saying? So what I got over here. So I got 6.91 rewards over here to claim. So let's see what that is. 6.91. They did raise the taxes on this. That's the only thing 691. What is that? Am I looking at that right? Yeah, 691. Yeah, that's the only thing about these platforms right here, man. The node projects. The only thing about these projects that's you got to take in consideration when you get into these investments. Once you deposit your tokens, you can't get them back. All you can get back is the passive income they provide. And one of the things that happens because these platforms are trying to figure out how to stay alive and not basically have a liquidity run. They raise the taxes at any minute, you know what I'm saying? So it's like it's hard to make calculations on your rate of return and how quickly you're gonna make back your initial investment, because they constantly can raise the taxes whenever they feel like it. And it's not too much you can do about it, you know what I'm saying? So they raise the taxes. It's actually helping the price stay stable though. But if you just sell right away, you gotta wait at least 7 days. And if not, you're gonna pay a 40% tax. Anywhere from 7 to 14 days, which is 1 week to 2 weeks, is a 20% tax. And then if you wait the full 2 weeks, which is 14 days, it's only a 10% tax, right? So right now I could cash out my 6.91 cone, which is worth $1,600. But because I'm in a 20% tax bracket, I'm only going to get 5.52 cone, which is $1,282. You know what I'm saying? So I only got, it's 10 days, almost 11 days now. You know what I'm saying? So I only got like 4 more days, and then I would get my full amount with only a 10% tax. So if I wait to complete 4 days, I'll be in the 10% tax bracket, which will be what? This Friday. If I wait to this Friday or Saturday, I get all my money and I get it, you know what I'm saying? Because they're still accumulating. I get $1,916 if the price stay where it's at right now. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just going to wait. I could take profit now. You know what I'm saying? That's the beauty of passive income. If the market go down, I'm not really sweating it because I got money coming in. You know what I'm saying? I got coins coming in. And I got stable coins coming in. I'm on multiple blockchains. That's why when Fantom went down, I wasn't affected by it that much because I got stuff on Binance Smart Chain. I got investments on Fantom. I got investments on Avalanche. I'm on multiple blockchains. That's why in crypto, man, don't never marry a blockchain. Don't never marry one project, because when you do that, you're putting all your eggs in one basket. And this is one of the best advice I can give you as an OG in crypto. You know what I'm saying? I've been in this game for a minute. I know how to make money in this. One platform ain't going to make me or break me. I won't let it. Like Puffy say, can't stop, won't stop. You know what I'm saying? So don't let one project break you. You know what I'm saying? So it is what it is. You just learn from your mistakes, roll with the punches, and you move on. You lose a little money here. Like I lost money on the piggy bank on drip. You know what I'm saying? I lost 4 G's on this investment. But I'm not quitting crypto because of it. You know what I'm saying? I ain't mad at nobody. I made a just conscious decision to get in. My analysis was off and I got out. You know what I'm saying? That's a lot of people. Before I wrap this video up, also give me a like on this video. You know what I'm saying? I'm dropping some knowledge for you guys. OG knowledge. A lot of people ask me when is the best time. If you're losing money in a project, when do you get out? This is what I do, right? I made a plan for this project and I made my analysis on the project, and what it didn't work out the way that it was supposed to. So that was one of the flags that was like, okay, I predicted that the price was going to go up over time, and the way these platforms work, it should go up staggered where the price increases, might dip a little bit, then increase more. My analysis was off. So once your analysis is off, that's probably a good time to get out, basically. You know what I'm saying? Without making it too complicated. You know what I'm saying? I made a pretty in-depth analysis of the token price, and what it should do. And my plan wasn't working out, so I got out. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna go down with the ship. Sorry. I'm people who go down with the ship is people that's married to the platform. And to me, that's a rookie mistake. I don't care how long you've been in crypto. I don't care how much the platform made you. Telling you guys, don't marry a project and don't marry a blockchain. Not to say this is a bad project. I like Forex Shark. You know what I'm saying? This might be a great price to buy in. You know, who knows? But depending on the price point you got in, my price point I got in was over $300, and my analysis was off, and it started to go against me, so I got out. You know what I'm saying? You can always make that money back you lost on the back end. You know what I'm saying? I lost $4,000 when I got out, but if I buy in at the right price and it goes up, I can easily make back that $4,000. So that's one of the best things I can tell you guys. Like, if you make an investment and the investment is going against you, where you're losing your principal and your risk tolerance, you can't take it, and your analysis is off, and it didn't, that didn't come into your equation, that the project might fall back on you where you losing your principal. At a certain point, you know what I'm saying, it's probably best to get out and then re-strategize. You know what I'm saying? It's called a retreat, and then make a plan and move forward. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's what I usually do. So on this one, I took a 4K loss. You know what I'm saying? I ain't one of these YouTubers that only talk about wins. You know what I'm saying? Drip. You know what I'm saying? Piggies. I took a 4K loss. It is what it is. I get it back. You know what I'm saying? That's the way I look at it. It ain't like it's lost forever. Like, look, in 4 days, you know, this Friday or Saturday, I got almost $2,000 coming. So all I have to do is make up another $2,000, and then I'd have made up that $4,000 out of loss. That's the way I look at it, you guys. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, so that's that. And don't forget to give your boy a like on this video, so this information can get out. I know this was a long video. Shout out to everybody that stuck around to the end. My link to the Piston. I don't have a link yet. That's right, it ain't live. But yeah, I'm telling you guys, y'all probably want to get into this private sale. If you didn't invest in version 1, you still can invest in version 2. My link will be in the description of the video. Give me a like on this video, and I'm about to wrap this up. This is your boy, Pastor Crypto. Let's get it. Peace. I'm out.